Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to clean your disgusting old hairbrush. Yes, you're supposed to clean it. Start by pulling out as much hair as you can with your fingers. You can also use a comb for this if you can't get it all out on your own. This brush isn't too bad, so a comb wasn't necessary. Now plug your sink or fill up a bowl with hot water. You want it to be enough water to cover your hairbrush. Once your sink is full, add a small amount of shampoo to your hairbrush and the water and make sure everything mixes up fully. Then leave it to soak for about 30 minutes. Sidebar: do not soak your hairbrush in water if it has a wooden handle. This can warp the wood, and you'll have to get a new hairbrush, which is what we're trying to avoid doing in the first place. Here's our hairbrush after soaking for 30 minutes, and you can see that the water is honestly kind of gross looking compared to earlier. Take a scrub brush or just your fingers and give your hairbrush a good once-over. This will get rid of any gross stuff that didn't come off while it was soaking. Hair products and oil builds up in your hairbrush over time and gets in your hair every time you brush it, which is why the water is kind of murky. And really, you're putting that greasy, gross oil back in your hair every single time you brush it. Now drain the sink and give your hairbrush a really good rinse before you start filling it up again. Once it's filled, you're going to use this to just fully rinse off your hairbrush so you aren't going to get any gunk in your hair next time you brush it. At this point, make sure to give your handle a quick wipe and scrub too. Look how much cleaner it is already, and it's not even dry yet. Now just wrap it in a towel and let it dry overnight. Here we are the next day, and this hairbrush looks so much better. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that this fixes your hairy problems. Did you know that we run a huge spring cleaning challenge every single year, and we give away amazing prizes? One of the prizes is a Shark blow dryer and a $500 gift card to Sephora. All you need to do is follow us on Instagram and leave a comment on this video with your Instagram handle so you can win. See the link in the description for the full contest rules.